beginning from down to up. Okay? And I will make two entry points, here in the zygomatic arch, and here preparatory region, because there are places with strong attach. First, I will make local anesthesia with xylocaine, and then I will enter the threads. You can also inject lidocaine or mixed with bicarbonate and make the anesthesia of the direction of the threads.
So what I understood is that you're going to give the lifting and like a more.
I will try to have the lifting effect
and more volumetric.
Sorry.
Like a little volumetric kind of lift, which looks like a fuller projection.
Yes, projection I can obtain thanks to my technique. But I will, for the first treatment, I will use the Cockpro 3, which are bidirectional barb threads. Okay? And with the cannula, you have two kinds of cannula, 19 gauge or 21 gauge. I like both. It depends on when the skin is heavier, you can use a bigger cannula. The cannula, as our previous speaker said, they are very smooth and they are not too painful. That's why we are not. We don't need every time to inject the trajectory of the cannula. So this time I will show you how to inject the trajectory. There are PLLA threads because there are new threads now with PLLA, and it's better for the.
Is like superior to like.
They are superior, yes, of course, because the results is lasting longer. It's good for our patients. So the first treatment is to reposition, to make the face younger. So we will project the cheekbones and treat the contour. Okay? And second, we are going to improve the quality of skin with little screw threads. I'm waiting a few seconds for the. Okay, perfect. So you can see here, I feel the patient, and I'm choosing the entry point, and you can go on the temporal zone, or you can go on the zygomatic arch, and you can have a nice entry point here.
You cannot see.
You cannot see?
Yeah.
Sorry. Like this. It's better here?
Yes.
Okay, sorry. So you straight the skin like this, and you choose your entry point. It can be here or here at the maximum projection. And from here I will go deep to sustain the fat and obtain a more projected cheek. Okay? So I will put from here 2 threads in this direction, and I will finish before the nasogenial folds. Okay? Before, because I don't want the nasogenial fold, the mimic of the patient to destroy the threads, because they are very strong. And I think, in my experience, I think that if you go across the nasolabial fold, the threads can be more damaged by the mimic of the patients, by the movements of the patient. So I need only to do like this. And then I will do a second entry point from the pre-parotidian region, here, parotidian region, pre-auricular region, and I will put 3 threads for the contour, for the marionette line. I'm looking at the patient, so I'm choosing one. Maybe I will put a 3rd thread from here to the nasolabial fold. You see, because I want to elevate her face. Is it okay for you? Second side, you can see on the screen. Is it okay for you? She has still a good contour. The contour is not so bad. I will be as symmetric as I can. She's symmetric. Okay? Okay, you can lie down, please.
Why does it not choose the hairline to go inside the hairline?
Because my other colleague will show you from the hairline, I think. And sometimes, I don't know if you are surgeons or dermatologists or medical aesthetics, sometimes it's better to, in the hair, you have to be very, very perfectly clean. You need to be perfectly clean, okay? Because you have the hairs. When I put in the hairs, I make a very strong disinfection of the hairs. Here, I will disinfect the whole face. Do you have any questions before we go to the first part? Yes, of course.
For the projection, why did you choose the Pro 3 and not the Master Gear one?
I think that Pro Cock 3 are very strong and they are able to I will adapt my technique to my goal and not the threads to my goal. I want to show you a result with one box, okay, so that you can go in your practice, you put the patient on the table and in 20 minutes you will have finished. So it's very important not to I think that if you use very well one kind of threads, and you can do many things if you change a little bit your technique. Okay.
Excuse me. Ma'am, do you find any difficulty when the skin is scarred to insert the thread?
No, it's not. Sometimes I put threads on lifted patient. They had a facelift. Some, of course, it's more difficult, but thanks to the pre-injection of the trajects with your cannula, you can make a little dissection, hydrodissection, and prepare the trajects of your threads. So you only to be more patient. Is it okay? I disinfect the whole face because my hands are touching everything during the procedure. And sometimes I'm using betadine because it's red. It's yellow, and I can see where I've made the disinfection. Is it okay, madame? Yes?
Yes.
Alors, injection, yes, please. Of course, that's better if you are in your practice to wait between these many steps. First step, local anesthesia. Second step, injection of the traject of the threads. And third step to put the threads. Because of course, if you wait 10 minutes, you will have the efficacy of the adrenaline, and it will be you have less ecchymosis or bruising. Okay, you can also put some cream before the first points of injection. It's not. It doesn't look to be painful. Moreover, you are right. You can put from the hairs because they are pre-inserted threads, pre-loaded cannulas. Of course, it's clean. Disinfection and the sterile environment is very important. You have two solutions for the preparation of the patient, or you enlarge the hole of this with the knife. It's easy. Or vous pouvez me remettre le truc là, il s'est cassé la gueule encore. Or you use many of them. It's good because we are waiting for the adrenaline to be efficient. As long as we lose time, we are happy. And the more you wait, the easier the procedure is. And of course, there is less bruising. The easier is the procedure, the best is the result immediately after treatment. The only complication where you can need to remove the threads could be infection. And it's difficult to take the threads off during the infection. But of course, if you are very sterile, it won't happen. And you tell your patient not to put maquillage after the procedure on the holes. And if you have to take off the threads, maybe sometimes because of infection, but you see the line of the thread, and you make a little hook with this kind of needle, 18 gauge needle, and you can find the thread and take it out. If you have any other complication as a visible thread under the skin, of of course, you have to remove the thread. And moreover, you can use 18 gauge thread. If there is no infection, it's easier to take off the thread than if there is an infection.
Très bien.
I take off the drawings, it's not clean. I think this side will be less painful than the other side because of the anesthesia. So you are waiting a few minutes, there is no blood. I will inject my trajects. You push the anesthesia as long as you go. You don't need to put too much, and you have to tell your patient that she can feel a little palsy, facial paralysis after the procedure. Ça va?
Ça pique un peu, ça va.
Is your cannula as long as your thread?
I think so, yeah. I will make the anesthesia of 2 sides, okay? So that he can lose time on the second side. Can you see everything, or do you want me to? You tell me if you cannot see. Ça va?
Ouais.
What gauge of cannula are you using?
It's given from Étape Esthétique. It's given with the salt. Yes, exactly. This cannula is a little bit shorter than my needle. I will prepare the second side. You don't need to put too much product. I straight the skin. I track the skin so I can go further than with my cannula.
Don't you find that with the thread being a needle, not a cannula, that it's easier to be too superficial with the needle than the cannula?
No. You mean yes, because there are not very large needles. So you have to take care to be deep, and I will show you how we check the depth with our cannula. It is exactly the same with needle. You can check where you are. If you touch the skin, if you are too close to the skin, there will be a retraction. There will be a retraction, so you can understand immediately that you are not in the good depth. Is it correct?
Ouais, il y a 2 ans et demi. Ouais. Que en haut,
Sorry.
pas en bas. Que les joues, c'est
2 cc by side, maximum. I don't want her to be too paralyzed because the result will be not nice after my procedure. I want her to be happy with the procedure. Okay. So, here is the thread inserted in the so it is a preloaded cannula with my thread. Okay, and I will begin in the contour. So you go to the nasolabial fold, marionette line. You go vertically to be deep, and then you turn. And you see, you can check that the tip of your cannula is not touching, is not attracting the skin. And then you go to the direction. If I am too superficial, I can go back. You see, I am in the good direction. Ça va?
Ouais. Très bien.
Wow.
Pas de souci.
And then it's inserted, then I go away. Ça va?
Très bien.
Is it possible to go back?
Alors, is it possible to go back? Even yes,
Even to last the thread.
I think you cannot go back now. Of course, the thread now is attached on the skin at the distal part, and if you cannot go back, so you have to be perfect. If you have inserted your thread, it's finished. You go away. Okay, and then you track the skin at the same time as you're going out of the skin with your cannula. You track the skin on the thread. Okay.
So what I understood is that you don't go beyond the mandibular ligament.
Yes, you can go. You can go.
Okay.
Yeah.
For the last thread, right?
Yes, if you want, you can
But there
go.
will be resistance by the ligament.
No,
When you cross
no,
this.
it's a virtual ligament. So it's not an anatomic. It's an anatomic region. It's not a true ligament.
You do feel the resistance, right?
Yes, of course, because the skin is not this. The attachment of the skin is not the same in the face and in the neck, because the thickness of the skin is not the same, and you have less fat. But you can push, and it's not dangerous. They are not sharp. They are cannulas.
No, my question is, you recommend going beyond the resistance?
Yes, of course. If you need, you go beyond the resistance. Okay, I'm going on, going further. So you can take your thread in one hand and you insert the other one. Okay? You see a little folds here. It's normal. It is the excess of skin. So you go perpendicularly, and then I will go over there in the second thread in the marionette line. You see, I check, maybe I'm a little too deep. So I'm going more superficial. I prepare my traject, touching the skin further. Là, je suis un peu superficielle. Voilà. Okay, here I maintain the extremity of the thread, and I track the skin, and then I go away. Ça va?
Ouais.
C'est un peu painful.
Non, ça me tire la tête.
Ah, she says it's not painful, but the skin is
Non,
going
c'est
around.
left
C'est
hand.
c'est bon, c'est pas de souci, pas de souci.
Voilà.
The left hand.
Ça va comme ça.
Ça fait pas mal du tout.
Ça fait pas mal du tout.
Pas
It's
du
not
tout.
painful at
Non.
all. Voilà. Maybe I was too superficial here. I will correct it after. So now I'm going to the marionette line from here. You see here, I'm not taking the skin with me.
So you're in the superficial fat pad?
Sorry?
Are you in the superficial fat pad? or the-
Yes, superficial. Exactly. Here I have a longer part outside. It's a pity, but it's like this. And you see that I can track the skin. I still can track, and then I can do like this, like a pinch. I can pinch the skin and project a little bit the cheek. See? The fourth one. Now I'm going to go. I will go deeper to sustain the fat and project the cheekbone. Okay. I take time, but if you are in your practice, you can go faster, of course. I don't go across the line.
Ouais, trop bien.
Okay, you can see the difference between the two sides, here and here. The cheekbone is more projected, the cheek is more projected here. And then we go to the second side, it's okay? So two on the lower part, two on the...
Compare before you...
Yes, if you want. You can compare, she's lying down. I don't want to to dress again. But you can compare from here. Can you see the difference here? It's rounder. You can follow me. Her skin is difficult to enter in. I'm going there. You can use, of course, more than one box of threads to obtain your result. But I want to show you that they are strong enough to obtain the result with only one box. And I will try to improve her quality of skin with other threads. Voila. So I'm here. Any other question? See that she has no ecchymosis, no hematoma. This one is painful.
La dernière fois aussi, c'était douloureux comme ça. Il y a des ans et demi, oui. Ça a atténué, c'est bien marché.
She's telling me that she had previously threads in her face, and the result lasted for 2 years.
Oui, c'est ça. Je pense que ça ça coince, non.
Ça fait mal.
Ouais, ça fait mal.
Ouais, the yellow one, the cannula are thinner, so they can go through skin like they are more sharp. They are sharper. So. Do you have any questions? Sorry. Now I'm going deeper to project here.
Anything we need to be careful about? Any do's and don'ts?
Sorry?
Anything, any anatomical structure we need to be careful about?
No, there is no risk here. You are superficial. I'm a surgeon. I can tell you nothing can happen. I wanted to show you another kind of cannula. This is a larger cannula and shorter. This is good for the neck, for example, or for the heavy skins.
What
Yes?
what is the length of this?
I don't know, maybe 8 centimeters? 7 centimeters? 8, sorry, 8.
And it's the same cock 3.
The thread inside is exactly the same, but it's larger. Sometimes it's easier to put in. They are very, you see, so they are very strong.
So maximum 2 threads per entry point.
Sorry?
Maximum 2 threads.
No, you can put everything. You have 4 threads by pocket. You can enter everything by the same entry point. But if you put too many threads in one entry point, sometimes it is visible after the treatment.
And it makes it weak.
No, if they are very thin, you can enter maybe 10 threads by the same entry point. I will finish the contour. Now I will cut. I want to use other threads to show you. Little screw threads. So I used here one box of these threads, and I will use the second one. This is here in the same procedure, but you can use it 1 time later, 1 month later, or before. Sometimes it's better to do it before because it's very fast. and to prepare the skin. Yes, I will show you the threads. You have 5 little threads. They are like this around the needle, because it's a needle, and they are twice like this helicoidal organized around the needle. Touchez pas.
Moi, je touche là. Ah, pardon.
Voilà. I will put them in the nasolabial folds
Non, c'est-
and on the skin.
Which ones are these?
Sorry?
Which side is this one?
They are double screw, 25 gauge. I like them a lot. Time. So I will go here. You can be very superficial with these threads. There is no risk because you have the vessels are very deep. Ah, elle a senti.
La lèvre. La lèvre.
The better is to push the thread completely inside. Then here I have to cut it. So you can anticipate. You can put many on the same deeper level.
How many do you put?
2 sometimes 2. Yes. I can be a little deeper now. And I'm going from further because it was too short. Here I follow a line, but you can make you see some kind of maillage, not follow the lines. I will show you on this side. I can be like this to complete the improving of the skin. So I'm more superficial than the previous threads. Voilà.
Ça fait mal. Ça commence. Peut-être ça sera l'œil.
Pardon. You must check that it is inserted. Sometimes it stays on your needle. You can give a little. When you have put them, they will be free inside the skin, and they will fulfill the fold. We'll get a little deeper. Can you see? You can see? So you see it's very easy. Touchez pas.
Non, 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 je sais. C'est tentant.
Voilà, on a fini à peu près.
When you take the thread out, you don't twist it before to create more trauma and more.
I don't need a lot of trauma, and you don't need the threads are very strong, so you don't need to make it trauma. You can some people they do like this. I think it's nice too, but I don't need. I think I don't need, but it's a matter of the habits. I think that the threads are very strong. You have only to put the skin on the thread. That's the basics. And then, if you, of course, if you do like this, you will more injure more the skin, such as tissues, and then you have more fibrosis and more stronger. But the threads are strong enough. And I want my patient to go out immediately and have a restaurant with her husband. So I don't want to make a lot of trauma. That's why I show you this procedure. It's easy, quick procedure, without any secondary effects, safe procedure, and that's the demand of our patient.
Je peux avoir un
You want to see
pas
the
de l'œil.
result?
Voilà.
That's one.
Merci.
C'est fini. Les monos aussi, bien sûr. We have 5 minutes more, so I can put other threads to show you the maillage. Ici, là. On the crossfits, I will show you crossfits treatment with little threads, very nice. Alors, the name is exactly monogrip. They are with PLLA, very good reinforcing threads. They reinforce the skin. Very easy to put, and you can improve the crossfit region.
What size?
They are 5 centimeters, I think. 5 centimeters. They are short. I will show you. Take a look. Take a look. They are very short, maybe 4 centimeters. Sorry? Yes, 38 centimeters. 4 centimeters, and you can put them here. You don't follow the lines. It's better to be perpendicular to the lines, and you sustain. You can insert them very superficially. They're inside. It's like an injection with threads. So we have a lot of tools to improve our patients. You see? No secondary effect. You have this, the thread is, you have one line outside and one line inside. So you have maybe 8, about 8 centimeters of thread. Very superficial, but no secondary effect. Have you seen this technique? It's very easy. You can put many of them. If you want me, I can put more. Do you want me to put more?
Crossfit, you haven't gone.
Here?
Yes.
Yes, I put the threads here in the down crossfits. Not here, but I can put them upside if you want. Okay. Give me the. Okay, second side. Voilà.
Do you prescribe antibiotics after the treatment?
Of course not. So, on the walls, I prescribe an antibiotic cream during 8 days, fusidine. But that's, I prefer to keep the antibiotic if there is an infection. But some companies, they tell you to prescribe some antibiotic. You do as you want. But I think when we need antibiotics, we are very happy to have them. And if you have an infection, you have to give antibiotics, but of course, to take off the threads.
I've never so far had an infection, but I cannot imagine having to take a thread out. I think it will be a nightmare.
No, it's not a nightmare. It's not easy because when you have the infection, the thread is gone almost by itself. It is destroyed by the infection. It's resorbable threads. It is eaten by the inflammatory process. So you will have a little part of the thread, not all of the whole threads. So a little part of the thread, you will find it and take it off. Of course, it's not easy. I will cut, now I'm cutting the threads, okay? And I will show you the eyebrow.
And how you would make the neck?
The neck as well, with the same, with this kind of cox of threads, sorry. For the neck, I will make an entry point here, just behind the lobule of the ear. Here. The entry point would be here. And I will put this kind of threads. Larger cannula, 19 gauge cannula. The thread is 16 centimeters, so it's longer enough. And I will take my skin like this and like this from both sides. 4 threads by side. It's better. It will be enough. And you can add little gray threads, little screw here in the submental region in order to improve the skin and to maintain the result. Okay. For the forehead, if you want to make the eyebrow arch, you can make here an entry point and very under the skin, you can put 4 or 5 threads like this. And you try the skin.
What sort of threads do you do there?
Sorry?
What sort of threads have eyebrow with?
Smaller than these ones. I think there are shorter ones. C'est pas celle-là. Coq Pro 23 gauge, good, gauge. Coq Pro 23 gauge. The previous, that previous one that I put in her face on the right hand side. Okay.
Which thread would you use for the neck? Which exactly from the?
I told you the COG Pro 3 cannula 19. It is always the same thread. COG Pro 3 PLLA, and you can change the cannula 19 or 21. Okay, 21 is better for the face and for the eyebrow arch, and 19 I think is better for the neck. Okay, and to improve the skin, you have screws threads. Gray and orange. Okay? So, have you any other question? I can cut the threads now. I can cut here. You can see the excess of skin that will retract by itself.
Ouais, très bien. Et là, vous pouvez le bout de fil qui dépasse. D'accord. Non, non.
The screws, you have to insert them completely. It's very difficult to cut them, they are going out. Because they are not barbed threads, so they are going out easily. Now I will tell her not to touch her face during 9 days, to take massage or something like this. And to be clean, and she can wash her. Yes. I clean, she can clean her hairs. Thank you. Wow. It's better to take off the earrings.
You have a little bit of puckering on the right hand side. That will resolve after a few days.
Yes, I think so. That will resolve by itself. It's not a traumatic procedure. On s'assoit. Just, lis mon téléphone. Tu peux me donner mon téléphone qui est sur la table? Stéphane, donne-moi. I will show you the patient and the result. The patient before and after. So, you can see that I don't want her to put some maquillage. So here is before, take a look. And here is after. You can smile. Okay. Alors, if you want, if you have time, and so that she has a good experience in your practice, you can put a mask on her face, and she lies like this, because sometimes you can put also frozen things above the mask. And it's very good, it's clean, and it helps her to feel good and with the result.